If you're experiencing low performance in Valorant, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Valorant and go to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Set the resolution to a lower value if necessary, and disable any unnecessary visual effects to enhance performance. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Access your Windows settings and navigate to the Gaming section. Turn on Game Mode to prioritize gaming performance. Additionally, disable background applications that may consume resources while you play. Step 4. Check for background processes. Open the Task Manager and check for any unnecessary applications running in the background. Close any programs that are not needed while playing Valorant to free up system resources and improve performance. Step 5. Upgrade hardware if necessary. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can lead to significant improvements in game performance. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Valorant performance. Enjoy your gaming.